today I'm gonna do the I'm gonna drop the BMW Z4 off to do the BC Racing Coilovers. So I never had coilovers on this car before, but we're gonna put them on there, see how it ride, see how it sit. Right now I'm sitting pretty good. I got the Bilstein B12s up under there right now, but this time I'm gonna go with the BC Racing Coilovers. It's been a minute since I did any mods or any little tweaks to the car, so this is gonna be one of my tweaks right here. Is the adjustable coilovers. See how it ride. I really got it because I want a stiff ride, but not too stiff. But I also want to be able to get on it, you know, and no rubs or nothing like that. I just want a solid ride. It's probably gonna ride a little bit slightly rougher than how it is right now, or it might ride better. We're gonna see. So right now, this is how it's sitting. See, I like how it's sitting right there. Pretty nice, good sit in the rear. I might want to bring it down just a hair, maybe to cover up that little gap, maybe. Not sure yet. But I like how the front sit. So yeah. We'll see though. We'll see what they do to it. So this is the BC Racing Coilovers. I've heard mixed reviews about it. Some people love it. Some people think it's overrated, or they don't really care for it. So, it's got that rubber right there, I guess to keep it from clunking. Yeah. Definitely gonna see what it do. It looks pretty damn good. I'll tell you that much. But we're gonna let them do their thing. I'm just now about to pick up the car. They got the coilovers on. About to test drive it and see how it drives. We're gonna go ahead and see. I told them I wanted it about the same height I had it before. So look like it's pretty much at the same height. And the back is probably gonna settle a little bit, so I told him don't drop it no more than where it's at in the back. You can stick at least one finger in there, and one finger is cool with me. So keep in mind, you all are running 19s by 10.5s in the rear, so I have to make sure it's one finger space gap, just in case it rubs, but hopefully it won't. 265, 1930 is cool tire size, so hopefully we good. Sitting just how I want it to sit, at the right height. Give the people a brief rundown of what you all do.
Lift kits, alignment, suspension, brakes. I mean, we do everything. So whatever y'all need, let us know.
All right. And they also do brake work too. If you need a brake job done, they do brake jobs. They do a lot of extra stuff that they might not have on the sign up there. Chuy's. Come to Houston, he gonna get you right. So let's take the car for a spin, see how it does. Man, I tell you, when I say this car drives a whole lot better than before. Solid ride, very solid. This road is pretty smooth, so we're gonna go on a road that's like I said, it was mixed reviews, different opinions about the BC Racing Coilovers. And all I really wanted something was for, you know, street, nothing over the top, a stiffer ride, you know, and maybe every now and then take it to the track. So yeah, and it sits just like I wanted to sit. So that's good. Yeah, so next weekend, you all, I will be going on a BMW drive. There's nothing BMWs out there. Be on the lookout for that. I'm gonna try to get some footage out there. You know, we're gonna meet up and we're gonna drive. I want to say it's gonna be a 40-mile drive or 50-mile drive, one of the two. Nothing too far out, but it's just something real quick. You know, meet up, talk, and see what people have done to their cars and things of that nature, and go on a little mini drive.